Are you a pet owner in Charlotte and wondering how to sell your home without stressing out your four-legged friend? Seems like it's nearly impossible. Today I'm going to share with you 10 crucial steps to make your home irresistible to buyers, pets included. Hey there, I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina, and president and founder of Rescued Me Dog Rescue. It's also right here in our beautiful city of Charlotte, North Carolina. But as someone deeply involved with pets, I understand the unique challenges and joys they bring to our lives, especially when it comes to selling your home. I'm not just here as your agent, but I'm here to guide you and to be a friend and committed to ensuring your success and happiness and that of your furry family members as well. Today, we're going to tackle an essential guide for pet owners selling their home. So we're going to go through 10 key steps to prepare your home for sale, ensuring that it appeals to buyers while keeping your pets comfortable and safe. Okay, so number one, and this is something that is in every one of my Get Your House Ready videos, deep cleaning and deep cluttering. Your first step is to clean, deep clean. This means making your home shine and remove any pet clutter. So put away toys and bones and all the things. So it's about showcasing your home's beauty, not the pet's toys and odors. A professional cleaner, especially in areas like carpets and upholstery, can make a huge difference. I completely understand this. I sometimes have up to 6 dogs in my house, and I had to move the last time I sold the house. I'd move first. Number 2, home repairs. So repair any pet damage, scratches, gnaws, any other marks that the pet made to put your home in the best light. It happens to the best of us. Don't worry about it. Just fix it, paint it. Staging your home is step number 3, and we're going to focus on staging simplified pet areas to show how the home can accommodate pets without overwhelming potential buyers. It's about balance and appeal. So not everybody has pets, but most people do, so you want to balance. Highlighting pet-friendly features. Next, step 4, let's highlight your home's pet-friendly features, whether it's a secured yard or special pet amenities. Maybe you put one of those cool little water bowl filler-uppers under your island. All those count as really good points. Now, number 5, professional photography. All about capturing your home's appeal with professional photography. High-quality images that show off pet-friendly features as well as people-friendly features to attract the right buyers. Number 6, marketing your home. We craft marketing materials that emphasize your home's pet-friendly aspects using language that speaks directly to pet owners, taking your marketing plan to the next level. Number 7, setting the right price. So for step number 7, setting the right price is crucial, and I'll help you factor in your home's pet-friendly features to arrive at a competitive yet fair price. Did you put in a dog pool in the backyard? That's pretty cool. Number 8, preparing for showings. Step 8 involves preparing for showings. So we need to ensure your pets are safely and comfortably out of the way, allowing buyers to explore freely. Try to get them out of the house. It's intimidating for people who don't know your dogs to come into your house. Disclose. Number 9. Disclose anything in your house that you think a buyer would want to know. Honesty builds trust. So if there's something that your pet did or something that is in the house that the buyer should know, disclose it or fix it. Number 10, choose the right agent. Finally, step 10 is choosing an agent who gets the value of your pet-friendly home. With my background in real estate and pet rescue, I'm uniquely equipped to represent your interests. I understand how hard it is to show houses with pets. I get it, and I work with you. I know firsthand the special bond that we share between our pet and the concerns that come with selling your home while caring for them. I'd love to hear about your experiences and challenges. Have you ever tried to sell a house with a pet in it? It's hard. Feel free to comment below or reach out directly. Subscribe and share for more insights into selling your home in the Charlotte area, especially with the pets in the picture. Engaging with our content keeps you informed and supported through your real estate journeys. I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte, here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And for friendly expert advice, support, here are all my details in the comments below. Let's make your real estate dreams become a reality for you and your pets. Remember, nobody sells Charlotte like we do. Have a great day, Charlotte.